AI is no longer just a buzzword. It changes the way that we live, the way we work, and the way we create stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 mind-blowing AI tools that you should know about going into 2025. Number 1, Lindy AI. Imagine there was a personal assistant who understands you so well and can help you automate things from scheduling to automating tasks, making your workflow seamless. Well, that is Lindy AI. Number 2, Castmagic. Do you have meetings internally, or you have a sales call, or you have other meetings with other people? Now imagine taking that meeting and then having the AI convert it into all the content that you would need from it automatically. Well, that is Castmagic. If you're a podcaster, you can take the podcast, convert it into a blog article, convert it into snippets. If you're in sales, you can take the sales transcript, convert it into to-do lists, follow-up notes, emails. And if you're coaches, you can use your webinar content and create smaller content you can post online. Number 3, ChatGPT 5. So ChatGPT 5 hasn't come out yet exactly, but as the year wraps up, ChatGPT 4 has 4 models already. It has 4.0 mini, 4.0, and 4.01. If you have to do very easy tasks that need some intelligence, you can use 4.0 mini. If you want to handle normal level tasks, you can use 4.0. And then if you want to have very deep thinking, multi-levels of logic, then you can use 4.01. By this time next year, when GT5 comes out, it will have even more capabilities than this. Number 4, for all the video creators out there, you will love Runway ML. Imagine having Hollywood studio level production in your laptop at your fingertips to edit videos in seconds and make completely new scenes with AI seamlessly within a few seconds. Number 5, if you're marketing, AdCreative.ai is going to change your life. What it does is it creates high-performing marketing ads based on your brand data and all the other data you have with a few clicks of a button. Before we go on to the next 5 tech tools, make sure you like and subscribe now so that you can stay up to date with all the new tech tools coming out in 2025. Number 6, we have Descript. So if you have a podcast or you have a sales conversation and you're talking and you made a lot of mistakes like sigh, right? Any of these words in it, well, Descript can help you find these words, cut them out of your script, and then give it to you back so that you can post your content anywhere or have a very polished version of your podcast. Number 7, Notion. So Notion before was a good note-taking application and it can create you custom dashboards based on your content. But now they've added more AI features. You can summarize text, you can have it generate content, you can have it generate reports. It's becoming a real powerhouse of a product that your company should be using if you want to manage processes and workflows in your company. Number 8, another mind-blowing AI software is Synthesia, where it can make AI-powered video avatars. You can now make professional videos where you type in the text and the AI will just talk for you, literally. Number 9, now let's talk about designers. So there's an AI software called Looka, where basically it can create you a complete brand identity, your logo, branding style guide, all that stuff in minutes, so that with a few clicks of a button, you're just ready to go and have a full out branding guideline. And number 10, if you're in development, you've heard about Copilot and other ones, but the best AI coder right now is Cursor AI. The idea is that they have the best user experience for how coders actually use AI in their coding. So they don't have to go to ChatGPT, copy the code, bring it back over the code, paste it in. You are literally having the AI generate you the code, and then you're code reviewing the code that was generated. And that is very powerful, and they have the perfect user experience and the speed and the accuracy that developers expect. So that's a wrap up of the 10 tools that you should know in 2025. If you like this content, like and subscribe to keep up to date with more tech news